All right, everyone, we made it. We've officially reached the end of our WooCommerce order tags journey. Give yourselves a pat on the back. You're now order tag ninjas. Think about all you've learned: creating and managing tags, automating assignments, building hierarchies, and even performing bulk actions. You now have the power to wrangle your WooCommerce orders like a seasoned pro. Remember that time you spent hours trying to find a specific order? Or that frustrating moment when you accidentally shipped the wrong product? Those days are over. With order tags, you're not just organizing your orders. You're boosting your efficiency and improving your customer experience. I know, it might seem like a lot at first. But trust me, once you start using order tags, you'll wonder how you ever managed without them. It's like discovering pockets in a dress for the first time. Life-changing, right? Now it's your turn to put your new skills to the test. Start implementing order tags in your own store and see the magic happen. Don't be shy. Share your experiences in the comments below or in our dedicated community forum. We're all here to support each other. And if you're hungry for more WooCommerce knowledge, be sure to check out our other courses. We're always adding new content to help you take your store to the next level. Thank you so much for joining me on this order tags adventure. I hope you found it helpful and inspiring. Now go out there and conquer those orders. See you in the next course.